Well, folks, trying to unlock my bike lock here. I can't unlock it because there's a nerd in here. You know those candy nerds people? I'll show you. Fuck. Okay. Can't really see it, but that thing in there is blocking me from opening my lock. Pretty sure. So I'm gonna try to get it open. Okay. Melt that nerd. Melt that nerd. Got it. It's out. It's out. I got the candy out. Now it should be able to... Careful with the water, it's nice and warm now. I'm not gonna put my hand in there right now because I'd burn my hands. Wait a bit. But it's my Pink Floyd shirt. Pretty cool. 1973, the album came out. See you on the dark side of the moon. Right. Okay. This is what was in my lock. Candy. Pretty funny. Pretty fucking funny, I have to say. This is what was in here. This was in here. See? Where the fuck's the camera in this phone? There, that white thing. That's what's in the key. Alright. Get it! Good. Wait! Okay. Pause there for a minute. Okay. So I'll do opening lock. Let's see if it will open now. It's a test. Home, home again. I like to be here where I can. When I come home cold and tired, it's good to warm my bones beside the fire. Far away across the fields, turning on the iron bell, cause the faithful to their knees to hear the softly spoken magic spell. Okay, let's test it. Opening it. Okay, let's do the test. Okay. All right. Hooray! I got it. And cut. Good job. I finally solved the mystery. Finally solved the mystery. Okay, as you saw, I opened it.
Hang on, are we doing the plug in? Ooh, here we are. Hey, everybody. I'm Jackson. We were just trying to figure out which topic we want to talk about. Either the fellow that we had a terrorist attack. You know what? Okay, let's talk about the terrorist attack.
There, got it.
So yesterday,
Good job.
And they said there was a suspected terrorist attack in a Canadian city. Which really, you know what? Don't tell us. That just... all that they would let...
It's all random.
But they kept on saying in a major Canadian city.
Well, you could have.
So,
Could have been rusty, had trouble, or you broke something when...
Panic, but you caused more panic by saying yes. Somewhere in Canada. Do you have any idea how big this country is? I mean, seriously.
I'm glad I didn't break anything when I was opening the lock. Because sometimes when you try too hard, you either break your keys off the lock, or it's rusty and you break something inside the lock so you can't open it. So you try turning and all of a sudden, can't open it. You try WD-40 and that won't work. Why? Because you go to the bike shop, they take it in, they say, "It won't open, sir, because you broke something in the lock." Where? See how it can look like that? Before, it was like that, right? But there's something in the lock there that broke when you turned it, when you're being rough with it. And I'd say, "Oh, shit. Now what?" "It means you gotta get a new lock, sir." Alright, fair enough. Okay, that'll do with my video. Bye.